Imagine your car breaks down in Huntsville, Alabama. You Google for help, but not just any help. AI-powered Google search now spots the best local auto repair shops instantly. Sounds futuristic? It's happening now. Here's the twist. America's Best Shops marketing agency is behind the scenes, supercharging these shops with AI insights that boost visibility and trust. These aren't just random garages, they're vetted, top-tier experts. Picture AI scanning thousands of reviews in seconds, matching you with the perfect mechanic nearby who knows your car inside out. Think about it. From frustrating waits to instant connections, AI is transforming your rescue moments into smooth rides. Huntsville's local shops are no longer hidden gems. They shine on Google thanks to smart marketing powered by AI. It's a win for customers and honest, hardworking mechanics. Feeling stuck with your car? Remember, AI and America's Best Shops have your back. Faster, smarter, better. Ready to experience the future of auto repair in Huntsville? What if your next repair was as easy as a quick Google search? Try it and see your local heroes pop up like magic. Who knew AI could fix your car troubles before you even ask?